Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode in your Facebook Messenger. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook Messenger. Now go to your Messenger menu. Now click on Settings. Here you can see the option of dark mode. Press on this. If you want to turn on the dark mode in your Facebook Messenger, you just have to press on this on option. That's it. So this is how to turn on dark mode in your Facebook Messenger. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.